Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. I would like to explain the equation words. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alwa Sabila. I'm from class 64 1D05. Name 664240240. What is meant by WH question or question word? Question word are interrogative word. Interrogative or are often asked to communicate in English. Question word is a word to ask the question. The question escapes from a noun clause of or adjective clause. This question word can be asked in direct or direct sentence. What is the function or why question? Why question are asked by someone to ask for information, where the other person must provide a clean answer. In English, it is also familiarly called an open question. In other words, you cannot answer a question tense in the form of the question asking only yes or no. Below are examples are we have question examples and how to answer them. A. Where's the bags? Expect answer is the location of the bag. B. It's in the room next to the reception. If you ask what is a yes or no question like so, a yes no question is a type of question that only requires a yes or no answer. An example sentence is, do you have an identity card? Yes, I'm from the question. The answer yes. Without any further information is no. The formula a WH question. There are three formula for forming a WH question, namely 1. WH question with auxiliary verb. 2. WH question with modal verb. 3. WH question without auxiliary or modal verb. WH question with auxiliary verbs. In the types of question sentence, we cannot escape from the question words what, where, when, why, which, who, whom, and other, which are as used at the beginning of the sentence and are usually followed by to be auxiliary verb or modals. Auxiliary verb found in WH question in direct speech becomes indirect speech. We already know that auxiliary verb can be classified to three types in English include do or does, did, have or had. Next, the following is the WH question formula with auxiliary verb. WH minus plus auxiliary verbs to be, do or have, subject plus main verbs. Example, when are you leaving? Where do they live? What have they decided? We have question with or with modal verbs. Words that include modal verbs include can, could, will, should, shall, soul, may, make, must. Here's the formula for the WH question modal verbs. WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verbs. Example, Who would he stay with? What shall I do? Why should we read books? Next, we have question without auxiliary or modal verbs. The formulas show that Sweha itself had replaced the subject's position. The formula for the question with auxiliary or modal verb. Sweha, Sweha question plus main verb. Example, who won the game? Was pondering who bought this. Negative Weha question. Examples are each type of Weha question above are positive or affirmative. Of course, interrogative sentence can also be negative. When asking negative Weha question, we can ask the auxiliary verbs too. When there is not other auxiliary verb or no modal verbs. 1. Positive question sentence without auxiliary. Who what wants an ice cream? Negative question sentence with the auxiliary verbs do. Who does when I an ice cream? Positive question sentence without auxiliary. Which door opened? Which door didn't open? Types of the question words. Who asks about people? 2. What asks, asks about object, ideals, or general information. Where asking about a location or place. When asks about the time or date. Why asking the reason of course. How asking about method or process. Which asking about choosing between several options. Was asked about ownership. Whom asked about the person as the object. What? What is used to ask something? Yeah, as we know, that's what is a question word that function to ask about something or something related to someone. Examples it as of its use in sentence. What are you doing? What is your name? What do you think about the movie? In addition to its function to find information about something, the word what can also be used to ask for repetition or confirmation, asking for repetition or confirmation of what someone else says. For example, what can you hear you? What did what? You you did what? Next, where. If you want to find out information about the location or place, destination, and position of someone or something, of course, the right question word to ask is where. Example of question sentence. Where do you where do they live? Where is your mom? Where is my phone? Next, why. The question word functions as a reason of course finder, reason of quizzes. In this case, the reason can be positive or negative to find out the background of something happening. Examples are as follows. Why do you love me? Why did it happen? Why are you crying? When. Of course, when is used to ask when something happened. This question word is closely related to the verb of time which can be the answer to be type of question. Example to asking to question word when are. When do you finish college? When do the taxi arrive? When did she leave? Which? How often are we confused about a cause? Whether it's a cause choice related to good scholars' opinion, and others. We can ask which to ask about choice. Here, here are of example of sentence to ask about choice. Which color do you want? Which curricular do you join in? Which one do you prefer, iOS or Android? 2. Who told you about my secrets? But are example of questionnaires in the question word who to ask about people or person or subject. Other examples are who opened the window? Who are you? Who is your favorite Korean artist? Whom. In English, there are different question words for the subject and object positions. If who was asked to ask about the person who has the status of a subject, when whom is a type of question word from the person who has the position of verb or represent the subject action. Where are some examples below? Whom are you going to meet? Whom did you see in the morning? Whom should we send the invitation to? How? There is how to ask when you want to ask about manner on process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, egg weight, distance, and or quantity. Example sentence. How you can explain the problem? Please tell us. How are you exam? How far is Siem Reap from Phnom Penh? So far, I have explained the question word. That's all from me. I say thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.